Hello guys, my name is Cora and this is our day 2 in our self-taught web development journey.
How will the output of the code below change if UL and UL were changed? So okay, there is a question here. How will the output of the code below change if UL and UL, this one, were changed to OL and OL? So as we've learned that UL is for bullet points and OL is for numbers. So bullet points in the out change the number. The code will no longer output invisible change. So I guess this one is the correct answer. Okay. So the following code is supposed to display an image but fails to do so. Why? Image H. So we've learned that IMG has an attribute of source. So I guess we must put the source attribute. The source attribute is missing and must be set equal to the close and double quotation marks. The image should be all. So I guess this one is correct answer. The abbreviation HTML stands for which of the following hypertext markup language? Hypertext markup language stands for HTML. So what is the correct definition of an HTML element? HTML code that does not require opening the first or opening H. So, correct? You got that. I'm right. So which of the following is valid HTML for the heading tag with the smallest size and lowest rank in the hierarchy? So as we've learned that the heading tag has a 6, I guess. I forgot. So from H1 to H6, so the higher is H1 and the lower would be H6 ka. I think H6. Okay, yay. Which element is the parent of P, my paragraph P? So my paragraph, this one, not this one. So this paragraph here is in the inside of our div, correct? So maybe our div, not maybe, but the div will be the parent of our P element. So you got it right. Match the blanks with the proper syntax to create an HTML paragraph element from this text. So which is the correct element for P? I guess P is here and we need to enclose. Oh my god, which is back? Correct na. So let's check answer. Okay, we got it right. So what HTML code will most web browsers display as italics? So as we learned that div is a kinda okay. I forgot. But P element is for paragraph. Hello, strong element is for making the text more visible, stronger, the font weight. I think M is for emphasis, so maybe M. Sorry guys, I really forgot some of this. So but I studied last Sunday. The following code results in no visible output to the browser. Why? Okay, so we learned that UL is bullet form, OL is for number, but inside of the OL element there must be a list of items which we have to use the LI element. It's correct. Yeah. Why is the code below is incorrect? So I'm not really sure of this. I think the video you need to enclose of self-closing tag ends with it should have an opening. I'm sorry. You see, guys. Okay, which of the following is the correct syntax for the paragraph element? Oh, they always I think this one. The closing tag in this paragraph has the correct notation with the forward slash, not backslash but the forward slash. Which of the following tags would contain the HTML for a web page's visible contents? I don't know this content. I don't know about. I never used it yet. I know HTML. HTML is for. But for the content, maybe the body. Yeah, the body tag in HTML contains all of the page's visible content. You're gonna put there the paragraph, the divs, the heading. So that's the important thing. So which of the following will directly affect the vertical spacing in an HTML layout? So I have, maybe we need to use the break line. Got it right. 92%. Yeah, I forgot. Skipped. Hooray! Start next level. Yeah, we just finished our quiz and I got one mistake, so I only got 92%. Yeah, so our next lesson will be HTML document standard. So you see, the Code Academy, not Code Academy, but Code Academy is a really good platform because they quiz you about the last lesson you learned. So you must prepare for that. And so I really take note. So as you can see, I take note of some of the things I've learned last lesson. So today is our day 2, so we start. Is a browser tab displays a title specified in the title. So maybe kung kanji Code Acad your title. So that's right here. I just don't like this word or something. I gotta see if I really like the open tab. Add branded. there is a target attribute. So if you click this one, you instruct the browser to go to the next tab to open in a new window. So okay. Here's an exercise. This exercise is for So I understand what is the self, because it says here the target have 4 attribute: self, blank, parent, or top. I don't know the parent or top, but as I search in YouTube, the self is if you have 2 pages, if you click the next page, it will open in the same window. It doesn't go to another window. But if you use blank, it open to a different window, or it open to a new window. That's cool. I didn't know that. See, it's good to learn that. Do attributes need to be in a specific order? Yeah. Variables have to be. So it says here, no, attributes are not order specific. So it doesn't need. So you can write anywhere your attribute is. The target, it can be first, or the href will be last. So it's okay. So anyway, let's go to the next one. Next, so linking to relative page. The internal web pages like home, about, and go. Directly below the opening body, we put a href dot index html closing tag. Okay, let's see. Ito. Then under the link, please stop about me. Can we just copy it? Let's just copy. It's very hand type. Sorry guys, my Japanese is kinda about me. About me. About me. We should change also this one. About me. Run. Okay. Can we try to kind of spell it wrong to see if it's still okay? Oh, it's still okay then. So maybe I'm wrong kinda last time. But if this one, what? Oh yeah, it's error. Ito yan. Okay. Okay. So it says here that all links were made up of text. So when you click the text, you can go to another window, but now even images, we can also make it as a link. Thankfully, HTML allows you to turn nearly any element into a link by wrapping that element with an anchor element. So even image or paragraph or input text, you can, as long as you wrap it inside the anchor elements. So for example here, ahref, so blank, then the inside of that we have another element which is the image. So it then image of a prickly pear has been turned into a link by wrapping the outside of the img element with an a element, anchor element. Good. In index.html, transform the image on your page into a link by wrapping the image element with an anchor attribute so that the link opens in a new window. In index.html, we have an image to show. Correct. Content. So we gonna transfer brown bear. Correct ka? Can we click this link? I want to see this link. Where it go? See. Okay. But it's, I don't. Correct ka? In index.html, transform the image on your page into a link by this one. Okay. A then href then target. We don't need to target on it. It's then close it here. So now if I put, so as you can see, our anchor element has an image element inside. So yeah, let's try to run. I don't understand actually. We are wrong. Did you add the target and no, we forgot the target. I was wondering if, so target, we use the blank because we want to go to next page. Okay, of course we add. Yeah, it's correct. Go to the next. So until 14, guys, 10 to 14, because I need to check my kid. introduction, right? So our introduction, we have the IVID introduction, so we must link the introduction to here. Then we have habitat. Where is our habitat? So here we have the ID habitat, and next we have also the media. So we go to our LI. So here, no, not here, but we make an A anchor with an href, then the hashtag. So this is the code, hashtag if linking right introduction LIA. What is our, did you open the A? The element that connects links to introduction. To introduction. Introduction. Because copying is not really good. Anyway, let's just copy this one. Let's type again introduction. Seminggu ko sayang. Then correct. Introduction. Ah! I understand, guys. Do you know? Because our ID here is not big letter. You see? It's a small letter, and also our habitat, and also our media. So maybe that is why it's wrong. So anyway, let's try. Okay, how about Control Z? Control Z. Okay, so let's